to the Arkansas Department of Health. Last week, more than 130 people entered the Arkansas hospital system with COVID-19, and it is the largest one-week increase the agency has reported since last January.
Neil Zarang reporting live from outside Arkansas Children's Hospital with more of the trending numbers after speaking to one of the Arkansas families battling the coronavirus right now. Neil.
Good evening, Bob, Laura. That's right. Thankfully, the numbers we're seeing right now in Arkansas hospitals are dwarfed by what we saw last January when we had that big peak in numbers. Still, it doesn't make a difference with how dangerous it is if you have it right now. This is the sound a baby should be making, but over the last week, 9.5-month-old Corbin Satterfield has sounded like this. Corbin was struggling to breathe. He was taken to a clinic by his parents in Mansfield, rushed by an ambulance to Fort Smith, where it was discovered Corbin had coronavirus.
It's normal. So you don't think much of it until they can't breathe.
Mikhail Satterfield remembers her son going to sleep and his breathing stopping. Corbin had to be resuscitated by staff and then life-flighted to Arkansas Children's Hospital, where he stayed in the pediatric ICU for 3 nights.
He'll try to fall asleep on us, and then he'll just jump randomly like he's scared to go to sleep.
The latest numbers from the Arkansas Department of Health show, like Corbin, 441 people hospitalized with COVID in our state. The last time Arkansas recorded that many people hospitalized with COVID at one time was last March. ADH also reporting the highest number of new coronavirus cases in the state since September. Over 4,000 new cases were confirmed last week. And 136 more people entered the hospital with COVID. That's the largest one-week increase since January.
We know it's real, but you just never think it'll be your kid, you know, and then it is. And then he's fighting for his life.
Since December, about 150 people have died from coronavirus in Arkansas, but Corbin is getting back on his feet. And his family is hopeful he'll be discharged soon.
We are thankful for the staff at both hospitals, but we are most thankful for God. He's been in control of the whole thing.
I reached out to a couple area hospitals within Little Rock about the COVID numbers they're seeing right now. It appears that they are leveling out or decreasing from last week. Of course, there is flu and other viruses that they're looking at closely. If you want to read more about it, you can go to this story on our website, KARK.com. Reporting live in Little Rock, Neil Zarang. Back to you, Bob and Laura.